Business editor Richard Southern joins us on this Wednesday. Hi, Richard. How are you?
Good, Janella. How are you?
Not too bad. So it appears the coronavirus outbreaks at some meat processing facilities have had an impact on the way people are eating.
Yeah, we're some of us looking for plant-based alternatives like Beyond Meat, Janella. I mean, we've seen these, stories out of places like the Cargill meat packing facility in Alberta, where they had a massive COVID outbreak, more than 1,000 cases there. They had to close the plant temporarily. Some of the workers spoke out subsequently about the poor working conditions. So stories like that, combined with the fact that there may have been some sporadic shortages of meat in the grocery store, it seems have people looking towards Beyond Meat. That company last night reported strong earnings, revenue up 141% year on year. We had JP Morgan Chase come out today and say that it thinks Beyond Meat could still ink a deal with McDonald's to get its burgers on the national McDonald's menu, which is kind of really the holy grail for this company. So, this could be the big opportunity right here for, plant-based meat with the situation we're in right now, Janelle.
Yeah, I got to say those Beyond Burgers are pretty tasty. So if some people, maybe tried it out for the first time and thought, hey, stick with it.
Pretty convincing. Still not a lot cheaper than real meat, but the company, it's told me in the past, trying to get the price down. But big success right now for the company.
Okay, and Beyond Meat isn't the only company seeing its stock rise during this pandemic.
So this is a big story. We have a new most valuable company in Canada in terms of its stock market performance, and it's Shopify. This is an e-commerce company, Janella, out of Ottawa. What they do, they help people sell things online. They have a platform where you can sort of buy it, and then you can sell whatever you want online. And they had strong earnings in today. What they did, they posted revenue of just $470 million through the first 3 months of the year. Yet the market has assigned this company a value of $121 billion. It surpassed today Royal Bank to become the biggest, most valuable stock on Bay Street. So, it's kind of out of whack as far as the earnings are concerned, and it's going to have to do a lot to justify its valuation. But clearly investors are seeing a lot of future potential in Shopify right now.
Yeah, I mean, I got to admit, I'm doing a lot of online shopping because there isn't anything else to do. And for some folks, maybe they weren't into online shopping, and now, maybe they'll stick with it as well when this is all done.
Should point out two other companies that were once the most valuable or close to it, Research in Motion and Nortel. So it doesn't always work out, but we'll have to see what happens.
Don't count your chickens just yet. Okay, not so good news for Uber. The ride-sharing service is announcing some major job cuts.
14% of its workforce it's laying off. That announcement coming down today from Uber, 3,700 job cuts as, the stay-at-home orders really takes its toll on its business, right? And Uber Eats is trying to, make up the difference, but it's not clear to what extent Uber Eats is helping out the broader business. We'll find out tomorrow when Uber reports earnings. We had Lyft report earnings after the close today, and they actually had some better than expected results in, so we'll have to see. Hey, Janella, I'm looking for everyone's help. I got an interview tomorrow, one-on-one interview with Finance Minister Rod Phillips, and at 680 News, we're trying to answer all your COVID-related questions. So if you have a question for the Finance Minister, I want you to head to 680news.com/answers, and I'll ask him for you. We're going to have his interview tomorrow on 680 and here on City News.
Great. We're looking forward to that. Thanks so much, Richard.
Thanks.